Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to remove the security code from Nokia 230, alias known as the TA-1609 model. Also it has a different other codes available. So in order to remove it, I'm going to use the FuriouSGOLD box and SPD service tool from the pack 2 of this box. As you can see, we have here one phone which is asking for the security code. The default one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 obviously is not working. So I'm going to use the software to remove it. Let's start by selecting our model, Nokia 230, and from the operations I'm going to choose Format File System. Now I'm going to power off the device and press connect on the software. Now I'm going to simply press the start key and insert the USB in the powered off phone. And if everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the operation starts. Okay, so the process ended now. Now let's check the device. So as you can see, it's not requesting anymore for any code. We are in the phone main menu right now. So as you can see, everything went okay. The phone works properly, no more code. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.